Yo, hey yo, what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this Gamma Plus boosted hair clipper. It's an old clipper already, and I'm a little bit late for it, but it doesn't mean. Yeah. So let me read some of the specs for you all. Okay. This boosted got 7,200 RPM, 3 changeable lever, got a stretch bracket, charging dock, got 8 double magnetic guard, screwdriver, oil and comb with 3 interchangeable face. So that's it, and the box looks like this. So that's it, and now let's unbox it. So this is it, and now let's unbox this bad boy. See that? So this is the charging dock. And you got 3 interchangeable face. Here's the clipper. Okay. And inside you got a manual. Oh, this is thick. This is really thick. Okay. The manual. And you got some screws, stretch bracket, oil, and the lever, plus cleaning brush. And the guide combs. So I guess it's 8 pieces. Got a screwdriver, micro USB, and the normal charging cable. So nothing else inside. So what I always do, I always turn this thing around and put the things inside. So it's very easy like this. So I should have put it the other way around. Perfect. So now let's talk about this clipper. So this is the charging port and our micro USB charging, also 2 ways of charging, which is very, very good. And you got a indicator here and also from the side. Power button. Got 6 watts. So in here it's written a super torque motor. Okay. It's not bad also on the hand. Got 5 clicker lever, just like Monster Clippers fade blade. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you got this new. And you got a fade blade with a thin cutter blade. Okay, for me, this is the same like Monster Clippers. I mean Monster Clippers fade blade. This one, the same. And Monster Clippers was the first to bring out this clipper, then follows by, I don't know, maybe Rebel or something like that. So they are the same company, you know. Just Monster Clippers never make micro USB charging also. See that? So same motor, same runtime, same power, everything the same. Everything really the same. And it is the same also like this one. Keeper Preselta. It is also the same, from the same company. So they are the same. And let's make a test. Okay. 271. 266. 275. And so gonna check the decibel. And the RPM test. Let's make a little tear down. Okay. Just for you to see what's inside. Okay. See this? Okay. They're all the same. StyleCraft Rebel or this one, they all got the same thing. Monster Clippers fade blade, Keeper Preselta, they're all the same.